Okay, so our West Coast adventures are almost to an end. We just spent 2 days in Palos Verdes. Had a great meal at Huntington Beach.
Huntington Beach at a 70s retro restaurant where a lot of stars.
It was right on the pier, and it was
phenomenal.
It was phenomenal.
We had fish and chips. I had clam soup, clam chowder, and that was so good. And they had really crisp, yummy bread. And the people with us had, he had smoked salmon chowder, and she had salad, and then he had
fish and chips.
He had fish and chips, but he had some other, I guess he did have fish. And she had
fish cakes.
Fish cake, yeah. Salmon fish cake, yeah.
Yeah, but we had a brilliant couple days here visiting friends and family. We'll say family.
Yeah, our kids were all raised together.
We've known them since they were babies and stuff, so yeah, family. Yeah, we loved them. And sunset, West Coast. We spent 2 nights at Sam's.
At Torrance Crossroads.
Yeah, Sam's Super Center, we want to call it.
Club.
In their parking lot. Brilliant place. And today we're going to head over to Maywood. Visit one of my old tanker buddies from the Gulf War. So, yeah. It's been a great visit on the West Coast.
Looking forward to meeting him again and meeting his family.
Yeah, it's been great. Also had one of the best California burritos I've ever had. That may put Santana's to shame. That was pretty good. It was good. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what we're up to. And we'll throw this in a video, throw in a couple pictures of the people we were with. And
love you.
We had a blast. See you guys.
I gotta find a Hope sign. Somebody's been painting the walls. Oh, look at it. Oh, had a tank on that. I got it, Kev.
Cool. Another one right there, yeah.
Yeah. Yep. That's a cool looking tree up there, kind of a blue-green. I'm getting them.
Making her right on Pico, I think. Hollister.
Okay. A lot of parking spaces too. There's some palms on the wall. Community gardens. Psychic.
So from North Carolina.
0.2 miles. Turn right.
I didn't know that.
Mel's driving. Wow. From what I've seen, the dogs can be on the grass, but not on the beach. Then if they're on the grass chasing the ball, they gotta be chasing the ball and not running elsewhere. Seashells left on it to be picked.
In 1,000 feet, keep right to stay on Barnard Way.
Isn't that awesome, though, babe?
Yeah. They all do their piece to make it nice.
Keep right to stay on Barnard Way, then you will arrive at your destination.
Where am I going?
I don't know. It's like a bus lane to me.
You have arrived. In 600 feet, use the left 2 lanes to stay to the left to I-10 East. Use the left 2 lanes to keep left to merge onto I-10 East.
Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Start of the trip back to the East Coast.
East Coast. Freeway entrance.
In half a mile, arrive at your destination.
Stars. Boulevard we were driving down earlier.
Did you get this Santa Monica thing back there? Said and the Route 66.
I think so.
Continue straight for 11.9 miles. Arrive at your destination. Arrived.
Exit 1. This is it, baby. We did it. Says it's going to take us an hour and a half. I'll believe that when I see it.
You never know.
Okay, so this is where we stayed last night, and in about 5 minutes, we're going to take off, go to Palm Springs, do our laundry. But there's the casino. Rongo Casino and Spa. Met up with some brilliant friends and had a brilliant meal, and we gambled a little bit, and then I went to bed. So the place was magnificent.
This is for you, James and Nigel.
Turn left, then turn right onto Seminole Drive.
Yep, that's the same one you guys climbed into right
Turn
there.
right.
Here's another one.
I'll get out and film if you want.
It's the same color as the dinosaur bubble bath my mom used when we were kids.
It's so cool that they're still here after all these years. We first seen 1992. They're beautiful. They're so cool. They just put a smile on your face. Got the Palm Springs sign right there, babe.
Yeah, I'm getting it between cars.
Laundry is done in Palm Springs. That cost a whole whopping $4.75 for washing it, and $1.50 for 30 minutes to dry it. So great place, real clean, real friendly people, and thank you, Palm Springs. Might not see you again.
We don't know.
And we're having breakfast again. We're having we had
Bread with the cheese cooked into it?
cheesy bread with cheese cooked in it with cheese, and now we're having jerky, and now we're heading east. Where we're gonna go, I don't know. We'll soon find out. So catch you later, guys.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.
Here a minute.
We knew Mecca was in 29 Palms.
Yeah.
There's other people in the RVs. Of course.
fishing.
Arizona state line. Welcome to Arizona.